My name is Gene Schwartz, and in undergrad at Northwestern I studied psychology as my major, global health as my minor, and I also did the pre-med track as part of the HPME 7-year Northwestern's combined medical program. So after undergrad I went to the medical school of Northwestern, downtown Chicago. And then afterwards I went to residency, where I'm a first-year resident now in internal medicine in Milwaukee at the Medical College of Wisconsin. To kind of help you, so if you do a global health minor, it helps you, I think, better look at what your passions are and better maybe choose the field of medicine that you like the most. Better helps you get involved with different research projects that you like. And then I think also for students who are doing the global health minor, actually that just doing that and doing some of the activities and research, it actually also makes them stand out and help them get into medical school as well. But then the benefits of that are long-lasting. I studied abroad in South Africa in Stellenbosch University, and we studied public health in South Africa, and it influenced me a lot in many different ways. On one end, we saw a lot of patients with, for example, HIV and the impacts HIV has on patients, but also South Africa is a fascinating country because it underwent so many very incredible changes in the past few decades, and it was really amazing to befriend fellow college students from different races, socioeconomic environments and all, and so learn of it in the classroom, but also see how they've been dealing with those challenges. Yeah, so the mentorship experience, it can be very diverse, depending on your mentees' needs and questions. And so you can do basically whatever, answer questions that your mentees have questions about. And that actually was nice, that we were flexible and discuss the topics that they had questions about. And you can do it in different ways, via email, via video chat, phone, whichever way. And it's meaningful to be able to help out the students and kind of, give back, because I remember how much of an impact, how much help I got at Northwestern, and kind of, as a trainee myself now, how much all the training and the education help, how meaningful it is, and I'm grateful for all the opportunities, and so it's very meaningful to give back and help out to those students. I hope that they got out the chance to ask questions about what their interests, which actually were also health related. And also, I hope that we can remain in touch in the future, and that at any point, if they have any questions, they can ask me, and whatever I can be of help, I would be glad to do that. And I hope that by doing this kind of programs, besides the global health minor, it will also encourage them to continue kind of passing this ball forward and continuing themselves, mentor others and help people in multiple ways via the health career and via teaching others and mentoring others. I think global health is really a minor that you can do anything with it. I think it's one of those fields of study that you're really pursuing your passion and doing what will enable you to be happy in the future, and really use it to explore your interests. If you want to go study abroad in a specific country, don't use it just as a game. Don't do it just because you think it will help you get into some program like some medical school or something, but do it to explore your interests. How interesting people's stories are, and how much it's how much it's fun to help people as a provider, and how patients can learn from you when you counsel them. But also it's really so amazing and fun how much you can learn about life from the amazing stories that you hear as a provider, and the patients that you see, and how much you learn from them that can make you a better person. I think this is one from a song. Life is a moment in space. I think it goes about where the dream is gone, it's the loneliest place. And I think it speaks to the point that we have to pursue our dreams and do what we are most happy about, because otherwise, if we do something just because we do it for the money or for the prestige, we are gonna be really lonely, because we're not gonna have the people around us and the happy life that we want, and we are not gonna be happy in life. So.